halves of the court. Two teams of 7 each defend their own half. The teams take turns sending a raider into the opposing half who has to touch as many players as possible before returning to his own side. He also has to hold his breath and chant Kabaddi all the while. All the touch players leave the court and the raiding team wins as many points as the number of players sent off, in this case 2 points. The defending team's job is to stop the raider from returning to his own court by holding him down. If they succeed, the raider has to leave the court and the defending team wins 1 point and 1 player is revived for every player sent off. So that's what this game of Kabaddi is all about, and today we will be showing you the highlights of the men's semi-finals between Tamil Nadu and Bank Sports Board, on the other side Services and Indian Railways, and then the big final of the winners of these semi-finals. So don't miss these exciting highlights and the final game at Davangere, India, right here on ESPN, the worldwide leader in sports.
The South Africans are out to avenge the defeat they suffered at the hands of the Indians during the final of the Titan Cup. But the Indians are well prepared for them. Catch the exciting clashes between India and South Africa. The Pepsi Challenge. Don't miss it. Saturday, 14th December, only on ESPN. The Pepsi Challenge, brought to you in association with Philips, Serum, and Pepsi.
Check this out.
Whoa! Oh, what? She's gonna slam it right off. Anything can happen. Beautiful kick. Paradise got covered. Paradise in their place, man.
Here is Dale Earnhardt taking the checkered flag.
Da-da-da, da-da-da.
Welcome back to the Britannia 44th National Kabaddi Championships at the Municipal Stadium at Davangere, India. I'm Stephen Mascarenas with Sandeep Nakai, bringing you this special coverage by ESPN, the worldwide leader in sports. So let's have a look at the highlights of the men's semi-finals between Tamil Nadu and Bank Sports Board. Bank Sports Board won the toss and chose the side.
The team winning the toss has the option of either choosing the court or making the first trade. Gangadharan from Tamil Nadu making the first trade. Tamil Nadu are the defending champions. They won the title at Vellore last year.
A very nice try by Gangadharan, but did not succeed, an unproductive raid. And on the raid this time for Bank Sports Board, BC Ramesh.
Ramesh is an international player, one of the star raiders of this tournament. There he tries a leg slip.
And I guess he didn't succeed this time. Nice try though. Once again, Gangadharan on the raid for Tamil Nadu. He's the most experienced player of the Tamil Nadu team. And he's been trapped this time. Right in the middle, a very wrong move.
Gangadharan didn't have an idea. He tried to innovate. He tried to go deep into the defenders, but was caught there. DSB has a very good defensive side. They don't give too many points away.
In this game at halftime, Bank Sports Board were leaving 19-15. And again, BC Ramesh gave a nice try but did not succeed.
Tamil Nadu, raider.
This time it's Bhaskaran for Tamil Nadu.
Changing flanks.
And they're claiming to win a point. Once again for Bank Sports Board, Jayavant Borke. Very agile, very swift, on his feet, always moving.
The chain wears an unusual look. The catch has been left alone. The corner man there.
Yeah, you can see the cover on the right side. He's right behind him, and again an unproductive raid this time. And once again it's Tamil Nadu, and this time it's V. Prabhakaran. Prabhakaran also a very good kabaddi player. And they're aiming for the bonus line, and he's just missed it by inches. And I guess he's out. Yes, he is out.
Prabhakaran went for the bonus line there. The bonus line is, if you cross that, you get a point, but nobody is revived because of this. But the cover stick took him well. He was caught by the waist.
Very unusual way of catching there.
It is. The corner catcher normally goes for the ankle.
And this time for Tamil Nadu. And that was the end of the game. An exciting win for Bank Sports Board, beating Tamil Nadu 43-27 and having no problem in qualifying for the finals.
The defending champions have just been knocked out. BSB have made their first entry into the final on the 4th attempt.
And the second semi-final between Services and Indian Railways. Indian Railways won the toss and chose to raid.
So Services were the runners-up at the last nationals.
This time for Indian Railways, it's Sri Nivasalu Reddy on the raid, trying his best, changing flanks. Very agile on his feet, and he's been caught.
He's been taken well. He was caught by the thigh. The supporter held him there.
And this time it's Captain Avtar Singh for Services. Very agile. He led the team well in the first half. The Services were leading 22-5 in the first half.
There he claims a point, but he's not got a touch.
They seem to be having a problem right from the beginning, the Indian Railways. And on the other side, the Services had a very good start and kept up the lead, and they won the second semi-final between Indian Railways and the Services, and they beat Indian Railways by 10 points. So these were the exciting highlights of the men's semi-finals. Stay with us for the final game between Bank Sports Board and Services. We'll be right back after a short break right here on ESPN, the worldwide leader in sports.
Foursquare, batting for India.
Get the inside edge on cricket as we bring you the latest results from around India and around the world. Special guests, player tips, the latest news, and absolutely everything you want to know about your favorite game. So don't miss out. Catch it all on Inside Edge, only on ESPN.
Welcome back to the 44th Britannia National Kabaddi Championships at the Municipal Stadium at Davangere, India. I'm Stephen Mascarenas with Sandeep Nagai, bringing you this special coverage by ESPN, the worldwide leader in sports. And here, have a look how Bank Sports Board made it to the big final, and on the other side, Services beat Indian Railways. Bank Sports Board beat Tamil Nadu, and here the lineup for the Bank Sports Board: Dinesh Prabhu, A.K. Muni Venkatappa, Honappa, BC Ramesh, Jaivan Borke, Sachin Satardekar and SL Krishnamurthy. On the other side for services, Avtar Singh, Om Prakash, APS Tomar, Jagbir Singh, Gurdev Singh, Ram Maher Singh and Kiran Pal. A very exciting match today. The Britannia 44th National Kabaddi Championships at the Municipal Stadium, Davangere, India. An exclusive coverage of ESPN, the worldwide leader in sports.
Avtar Singh making the first raid. He's an international, won a gold medal with the Indian team at the Hiroshima Asian Games in 1994. Kabaddi has been played at the Asian Games twice. It was introduced in 1990 at Beijing, and 1994 India retained the title at Hiroshima.
And this time they have also included a bonus line in this tournament.
That's right, the bonus line has actually replaced the third raid point, which was given if there were 3 unproductive raids in succession. The bonus line has been drawn 1 meter from the back line, and if you touch that, you get a bonus point, but nobody is revived for that point. That's BC Ramesh, an international.
Yes, he's played in 6 nationals and 1 international for the SAF Games at Madras in 1995 and won the gold medal.
SAF Games are the South Asian Federation Games.
24 years old. And once again, it's for the services.
Jagbir Singh.
Jagbir Singh trying to move, trying to catch the right player. They're changing flanks. Very agile, very attentive, quick reflexes.
Services, Maharashtra, Punjab and Delhi are the traditionally strong teams in the men's division.
And they're an unproductive raid once again. You have to start this game within 5 seconds. As soon as the raider finishes, the opponent has to send a raider from his team within 5 seconds, and that's really fast.
Yeah, but you can't pursue if somebody has taken a point. Then you have to let him go back, take his position. That's Jaivan Borke.
Once again, another unproductive raid, and this time
Kiran Pal Singh from services.
Did he worship the ground over there? He was touching the ground and
Before making his first raid.
yes, I guess something religious in there.
It's just a habit.
And there you can see him continuously chanting Kabaddi, Kabaddi, which is the main part of the game. You have to keep chanting Kabaddi or else the raid is cancelled and he's sent back to his court.
He loses the point if he loses his chant in the opponent court.
And once again, for Bank Sports Board, they're trying to make a quick move on the right side but didn't succeed. Nice try by Sachin. Giving it enough time, finding the right man but did not succeed again. And once again, an unproductive raid, and there, this is the immediate return. See the raid, it's so fast, hardly wastes any time. Straight Om Prakash back into the opponent's court or the anti-court.
Om Prakash is the only services raider who's trying any variations. That's Honappa, a gold medal winner at the SAF Games in 1995.
23 years old, resident of Bangalore. He works for a bank named Vijaya Bank. Played 6 nationals and 1 international. That was the SAF Games, the South Asian Federation Games in Madras in 1995 and won the gold medal.
APS Tomar. India has won the gold medal at all SAF Games except in 1993 when they were relegated to the second spot by Pakistan at Dhaka.
Once again, nice try by APS Tomar, moving very fast on his feet. You have to be fast, you have to be quick, and your reflexes have to be good. And this time it's BC Ramesh for Bank Sports Board. They're trying to touch the bonus line but did not succeed. You can see the covers are always ready just in case he touches the bonus line so that they can cover him up.
Yeah, Ramesh is one of the leading raiders for DSB. In fact, he took 13 points in the semi-finals.
Again, an unproductive raid. No points till now to any team.
The crowd here is pretty partisan because the BSB team contains 7 players from Karnataka.
Kiran Pal again. As I said in the beginning, Kiran Pal, a very quick mover, changes wings very fast.
Changes wings, but he's not going deep in. There, he tried a slide.
Yeah.